friends, I am Alana. Today I'm going to do something that I've never done before. This is a simple method to make banana pancakes. Let's get through with all the ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar with crushed cardamom, blended banana, 1 glass of milk. Let's mix them all up. First, I just put the egg to my spoon. Then I add the sugar and cardamom. Then the blended banana. And finally, the glass of milk. Now I'm just going to mix them all up. So I have finished mixing it all up. Now we can put it on a frying pan and fry it. So the frying pan is hot enough. Now I'm just going to put in our batter. So the bottom part is almost fried. Now we can flip it over. So the first part is looking beautiful now. We just have to wait for the bottom to get cooked. So our pancake is ready. I'll just put it on the plate. We can make more banana pancakes with the rest of the batter I have made. So our banana pancake is ready. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of honey as a topping. If you don't want it, you don't need it. It already looks so good. A little bit more. So me and my sister are going to taste how good it is. Yummy. I know, so good. If you all want to taste it, you better make it right now. Bye. This is like the perfect food for little kids. Grown-ups will also like it, but especially little kids. So hope you all will make it and will enjoy this little recipe. So bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Say bye.